Yo, so last week the cat stroller that I ordered from Shopee, ayun yung sampai. It's finally arrived from China. They only have red colored stroller available. They are out of stock for black and blue, I guess. So this doesn't cost more than 200 ringgit. It's less than 200. It's about 180 something. Yeah. So this stroller has zipper at the front and it's hanging on the rod like that. It can fit 3 of my cats, the fat bastard, the 2 fat bastard and 1 tiny one, so it's about 10 kilos, so it's quite good, it's quite sturdy. And the handle, you see, the handle's padded and you have that window from the top. The handle is padded, so you'll be quite comfortable while controlling the stroller. Look at them go, look at them. But as you can see, they are very nervous being in the stroller outside because there's a lot of guards and noisy and all that. They are very anxious cat, so you have to break them in. So that's all from me today. Thank you for watching.